Hello beautiful viewers and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to discover TapSwap, MemeFi, Hamster Combat combo codes yourself. Okay, the knowledge you'll be getting from this video can be applied in any crypto airdrop you're mining that requires you use the combo codes or combo cards to get a certain amount of airdrop bonus. Okay, so whatever you learn here you can apply it in any airdrop at all right, so pay close attention because you're about to learn something interesting. What I'm going to be revealing to you is something most YouTubers or most people you go to get those combo codes from won't reveal to you because they want you to keep coming back. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to discover them yourself without having to wait for anybody. Okay, the three airdrops currently going on that I'll be using for the purpose of this lesson or as an example for this very video is TapSwap, Hamster Combat, and MemeFi. These are the three airdrops I'm going to be using as an example, and the two social media platforms I'm going to be using is Twitter and Facebook. Just in case some of us are not on Twitter, I'm also going to be showing you how to do this on Facebook. Okay, if you're not on Twitter, you should at least be on Facebook. So without further ado, let's hop into this right now. So as at the time of creating this video, the date is August 12th. All right, so let's head over to Twitter right now to search for the combo code of Hamster Combat August 12th. All right, what you have to do once you open your Twitter account, sign up. For those of us who are new, who don't have a Twitter account, once you sign up and you're new to the interface, come over to this place that says search. Then you type in Hamster Combat combo code August 12th. Okay, you have to type in the date and then click search to be specific, because the more specific you are, the best result you get. As you can see right here, this is the combo code for today. This very guy posted the combo code for today. He did three things, which is post the mini game code, which is number one, posted the cipher code, which is two, and posted the combo code, which we're actually looking for. So I'm going to click on this right now, and as you can see right here, the combo code for today is TG leaders, finals are coming, hamster help wheels. Okay, now if you don't have the time to type August 12th, you can just type Hamster Combat combo code. But what you do is you come over to this place that says latest. Okay, click on latest and you see people dropping these combo codes in the latest section. Okay, if I click on the latest section and click on this very one right here, you see that this guy right here even pointed out the combo codes for today one by one. Okay, this was posted 2 hours ago. This was 8 hours ago. You would also discover combo codes of other crypto mining projects out there. The reason you see this is because of the August 12th right here. Not a lot of people type in August 12th, so I'm just going to clear this and hit search right now. And as you can see right here in the top section, another guy right here posted the cipher code and the combo code. So at the process of doing it, you can even discover the cipher code too. Okay, but we're going to click on latest again. Okay, let's click on latest right now. Sometimes in the latest section you might not really see what you're looking for, so you just come over to top right here, but just be wary of the time right here, guys. Okay, because this is what you need to actually pay attention to. Okay, and this is another guy right here. They all posted the same thing, right? So it's simple. Now let's head over to Facebook to discover these two. So I'm just going to minimize this right now and then open up my Facebook. And then once I open up Facebook, I'm just going to click on this search bar right here. Okay, that search icon. I'm actually using Facebook Lite because I want this to be fast. I don't need no delays. I'm going to go ahead and type in Hamster Combat combo code August 12th. Okay, and then hit search. And then we're going to scroll down right now. Right, we're going to scroll down. This was posted 4 hours ago. Okay, this was posted 4 hours ago. It seems the combo code for today is has a lot of card combination. This was posted 5 hours ago. This was posted 3 hours ago, and this was posted 5 hours ago again. Okay, so whichever one you see, you just have to like combine them together, try them to see how it goes, so that you be able to enter this combo code for today. So once you are sure you have gotten the combo code, you can also come over here, guys. Right here, guys, you can filter this to post. Right, just click on post right now, and Facebook will display only post for you. Okay, you can even put recent post if you choose to. Okay, and Facebook will select recent post for you. As you can see, this is the combo code this guy dropped here. Seems the other guys got something different. And this guy right here, he's also dropping something right here. Yeah, sometimes the combo code can be in two categories. Okay, you just have to try this and try that. I'm happy this is appearing right now so that I will address the issue so you understand better. Okay, now let's try for tap swap. Let's try for tap swap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my tap swap right now, because this requires that I open up tap swap so you understand this better. So I'm going to open up tap swap right now. And yes, once we open that up, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the tax section. Okay, what TapSwap does is that they drop videos sometimes on daily basis, sometimes in 2 or 3 days, and they drop a very tax right here whereby you watch this video and discover a code. And once you get that code, you come over here by clicking on this. I'm just going to select 7 best cash apps, which is this. Then you go ahead and click on start mission. Okay, once you start the mission, you'll be asked to click watch. Once you click watch, this will direct us to YouTube. I'm not really going to head over to YouTube right now. I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so if you watch that, you would come over here and provide the answer. Okay, that answer is usually a code which you paste right here, guys. But most times it's hard to watch these videos because some of us don't have the time and it's kind of lengthy sometimes. So the title of this video we are being asked to watch is 7 best cash apps. We're going to head back to Twitter right now, and then right here in the search bar type in the keyword tap swap and then 7 best cash apps. Okay, I decided to pick that because that's the shortest. Okay, let's see the result we have right here. And as you can see right here, guys, this is the code. This guy just posted this 35 minutes ago, and this is different. This is different. This is one, but this is two, which is what we are looking for. So I'm just going to open up this picture. So as you can see, the code for this is GWEI. I don't really know what that means, but it's GWEI. Okay, so you would have to post or paste this very code right here, which is GWEI. If I click on submit, it says looks like you didn't watch the video. You need to watch the whole video from the start to the end in normal speed. Now, do you know why it's telling me this? Because the time scheduled for this video hasn't ended. If the video is 7 minutes, this would only work after 7 minutes. If the video is 10 minutes, it would only work after 10 minutes. So if you paste this code and it doesn't work, don't feel bothered, don't be worried. Just leave this, exit the app, come back later and try it, and trust me, it's going to work. Okay, you can also type this very keyword on Facebook. I believe that you would also get the same result. Okay, let me just type this in to see how to see the results we'll be getting. I don't really want to do that, but let me just do this for some of us who like this. So as you can see, this guy right here, Musa Abubakar Bello, posted it, and this is, I believe these are the two videos for today, which is crypto news, BlackRock CEOs, and 7 best cash apps. Okay, as you can see, this guy posted the codes right here. So it's really simple, guys. This guy right here also posted the code, and we'll scroll again. 12 August, this guy right here posted the code. This guy right here posted the code. Okay, a lot of people are posting the code. It's easy thing, it's not rocket science, guys. So let's do for the last, which is MemeFi. So let's head back to Twitter right now. Click on this and then type in the MemeFi combo code. And as you can see right here, this is the combo code. This was posted 5 minutes ago. Like, these codes are readily available, and you have to tap the mouth twice. Okay, then you tap the head once. Okay, tap the head once again. For those of us who know how this works, this is how you get the combo code, guys. This is how to get the combo code. Okay, you apply the same strategy on Facebook, but on Facebook you want to type in the date, which is August 12th, as at the time of creating this very video. So you type in August 12th and the code will be revealed to you. Okay, so it's really simple, guys. This is how you actually get the combo codes for these airdrops on Telegram. Okay, let me give that a try on Facebook right now to see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just going to select all, paste, and boom, hit the search button, and let's see the combo code for today. Okay, so this guy just posted this 14 hours ago. This was 8 hours ago. Okay, so getting the combo codes is really easy, guys. It's not rocket science. So I hope that I've been able to explain this to you. I hope that you now understand fully how to get the combo code. So this is it for this very video. I hope you did enjoy the video. Did enjoy the video, leave a like and drop a beautiful comment right there so that a lot of people will get to discover this very video and also learn from what I shared in this very video. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so that you don't miss out whenever I drop cool updates like this. Haven't joined our social media handle? You can use the link in the description to join Facebook, Telegram, or WhatsApp, depending on the one you are most active in, that you even get more updated. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe.